Modern air operations are evolving, and unmanned wingman drones are being developed to support fighter aircraft in new ways. The Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie is an experimental unmanned aircraft developed by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions as part of what's known as the Loyal Wingman concept. It's designed to fly alongside manned fighter jets, and to support pilots during future operations. The Valkyrie is a jet-powered drone with a stealth-focused design, built primarily from lightweight composite materials to reduce weight and radar signal. It's capable of high subsonic speeds, roughly around Mach 0.7, can operate at high altitude, and has an approximate range of 3,000 nautical miles. The XQ Valkyrie has a wingspan of about 27 feet and a length of around 30 feet. It's powered by a turbofan engine and can carry payloads internally and externally. But what really matters isn't just the size and specs, it's what the Valkyrie represents. The XQ-58 is designed to work alongside pilots, extending sensors, reducing workload, and making aircraft more effective. This manned-unmanned teaming concept shows the future of aviation. Pilots stay in control, supported by autonomous systems that expand capabilities without replacing human decision-making.